All right, well, we're going to talk about our Showstopper. And this is also, when I was prepping for the show, and I said to Darlene, I've never seen such huge discounts on Singer sewing machines. And we're doing the best and lowest price we have ever offered on our heavy-duty P1250 sewing machine. This is $249.95. This was originally a $400 sewing machine. And because it's the heavy-duty sewing machine, are you ready? This is going to be 60% more powerful than a traditional sewing machine, than your conventional sewing machine. That is a big deal, to have 60% more power, unprecedented, what you're going to be able to create and what it's going to be able to sew through. Free shipping plus the 5 flexible payments of $49.99. But Darlene, this is a machine on HSN.com, already has 5-star reviews.
Really?
And this is the lowest price we've ever presented. Wow. Even if you watch the video on HSN.com, the sewing machine was at $300, not $250.
Wow.
So we are doing something big for our big crafting day.
That is so exciting. I am really thankful for that. That's great. So what you're seeing now is the straight stitch. In the straight stitch, there are 10 built-in stitch patterns. Here you see 2. You've got your zigzag, then you have your blind hem, your multi-stitch zigzag, and your stretch overcasting. So all together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, including the one-step auto-sized built-in buttonhole. And by the way, the needle positions and the stitch width automatically adjust themselves when you get to the buttonhole mode, and I will show you that in just a moment. So first thing we're going to do, and this was, by the way, the second machine that I ever showed 18 years ago.
Oh, really?
When I started here on HSN, this machine was around, and this machine was the second machine that I showed, and so I have a special affection for this big green machine. Yeah, I call it the mean green.
You're very fond of it.
Yes.
And our producer Luciano just popped up how many were left. We have just a little over 600. 665 are available, and that is it. Once it's gone, it is gone. This is a value to take advantage of, which is for today and today only. But Darlene, how many layers of fabric are you, denim fabric, are you going to?
Denim fabric, I am now at 8
layers.
8 layers of denim.
And it's not jamming up or getting stuck.
Oh no, to be able to have that kind of versatility, to be able to have the flexibility, to be able to hem anything in your life, in your wardrobe, in your home decor. If you work on the bouillon trims and all of the different tapestries and bouclés, this is something that you'll definitely want to add to your sewing arsenal. A heavy-duty machine that will get the job done. This is the back of 8 layers. This is the front. It goes from denim all the way through to fine silk, and you see no tension nightmare, no pulling, no mess, no fuss, all through all of those layers. This is heavy duty at its finest, because who knows it better in the mechanical world of sewing than the people at Singer who invented the machine back in 1851.
Yeah.
Who knows better than that?
I know.
So if you're going to get a mechanical machine, I say pick one up from Singer, because this is really where it all started. And I'm very thankful today that we have home machines because of the good folks at Singer.
Yeah, and when you see, to me, I think that's really quite incredible when you see that it can go through how many layers? 8 layers? 8 layers of denim, but then go from the toughest of fabrics to the thinnest, most delicate of fabrics without harming the delicate fabric. So I think it's a machine that really has the balance. It has the innovation. It has the technology. But at this price point, at the lowest price we've ever offered, do not miss out on it, especially with all the flex. I mean, on 6 flex pay.
Exactly.
Darlene, have we ever had 6 flex pay on this machine?
I don't think we've had 6 flex pay on anything. Bill Green and I used to joke about it.
Really?
You know, yeah, can't we get 6 flex? And no, we never could.
And now today we do.
Today we do. That's awesome.
Yeah.
So look at this. This is a different kind of foot than what you're used to seeing. This is the zipper and piping foot. And notice how it doesn't have that big wide ankle in the back. This is a very narrow profile foot that's going to be out of your way when you need it to be. And notice there's a finger guard on this machine. So see, it keeps my finger out of harm's way, so you don't have to worry about running into your finger or fingernails. You'll be able to keep them all.
That's a good thing.
It has an extra long bed. And what I mean by that is the portion of the bed on the top, you'll notice it's stainless steel. That resists scratching, it won't rust, and it won't snag even your most delicate lingerie. And it is stainless steel on the top. Now, you'll also notice a top-loading drop-in bobbin. And that drop-in bobbin has a long plate. I'm going to finish with this because you have seen what I'm doing, and I have so many other things I'd like to show you. This is piping, and you can make piping by inserting welt cord into a strip of fabric and using your piping foot. Now, if you want to get creative, you can leave a little space and you can even gather the piping.
Oh, that's a cool idea.
This is called ruched piping, or ruched, depending on what side of the Mississippi you're on, I think. And so here you have your ruched piping, and you can insert that into a pillow. Like the pillows and the piping that you see on the set are a little vignette with the letter H, and so there's the ruched piping. But one of the things I wanted to show you about this is this front-loading bobbin. Now check it out. I have here a seam guide, and it's the only machine in our lineup that comes with a seam guide. And look how this bobbin top pulls out. This is also metal, and in fact, even this part is metal. But look how easy it is to clean. Now, all your other machines, you have to get out a screwdriver, you have to undo the screws. It's a real pain in the to have to clean the machine. But now with this, it makes it so easy. When you're running a machine like this 8-10 hours a day, you want to make sure you clean it at the end of every sewing session, and you can. You notice the feed ducts. Now watch how this just snaps back in place. Ready? Look, it's back in place. I mean, I had to show you that because I think it's one of my favorite features that this machine has that you won't find on the modern machines of today.
Right. And when you have a machine with this kind of power and this kind of technology all built into one, and it's the Singer name, you know, with 164 years being in the industry, they truly are one of the most recognized names in the world of sewing. If you say Singer, everybody goes sewing. They are just recognized. Why are they recognized? Because they're high quality performance machines that work, that deliver, that are easy to use, that aren't complicated, but that last a lifetime. Many of us have machines that our grandmother passed down to us, that our mothers passed down to us. This is a machine that is a powerhouse. If you have a Singer, we'd love to hear from you. We'd love for you to take part in our show here at HSN, our big 24-hour craft event, 1-866-376-8255 to share your testimonial. We're going to share with you some of the projects that you can create, because whether it's pillows, whether you're doing quilts or blankets or totes or clothing.
Or making a basket.
I'm making a basket.
Look at that rope basket made with clothesline and scraps of fabric. Wow. I'm going to show you how easy it is to do something like that.
That's
but
good.
First, I have to show you the buttonhole.
Okay, let's do it.
Now, the buttonhole, easy. Now, watch this. It's all number coded. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have your 4 steps to make the buttonhole. So first we'll start with number 1. And I don't have to worry about anything. This is what's called an endless buttonhole. So it's going to go as long as I want it to. It's going to be the length that I need it, and it will stop when I stop it. Now with the needle up, I'm going to step 2. This will be the bar tack. And now I'm going to go to step 3. And it'll go up the other side of the buttonhole.
How simple.
I know, right? It totally is. So great to have a machine that works so well. And 4.
And 4. So that was the 4 steps. So you just follow those steps.
Yes.
Wow.
Right now I'm going to rethread, which is easy to do. All of your thread guides are open.
And Darlene, I noticed there's a light underneath there, so that's nice, so it allows you to see what you're doing.
Exactly, which is a real treat.
Yeah.
You have a bright LED light, and I'm going to give you a little demonstration on how to make that rope basket. As soon as I get this rethreaded, if you would show our viewers.
Sure. I'm going to walk you through everything that you get over here.
As well as what's on that beauty table while I thread this, and then we'll go ahead with the basket.
Perfect. So, but also keep in mind that with the lowest price that we have ever offered here at HSN, this machine is modern. It is sleek. It's modern, but yet it has the innovation of yesterday and today all built in, because when we talk about Singer, the 164 years, you know the innovation is there. there, plus the history of the brand that's synonymous with quality, innovation, and technology all built in. And the fact remains that we're doing the lowest price we've ever offered. We've taken $150 off of this. It has free shipping. It has the 5 flexible payments of $49.99 to get it at home. You have the 6 flex pay with your HSN credit card. Plus you also have, when you read the reviews on hsn.com, you have perfect 5-star reviews. Then all of the accessories that you're getting coming included as well. So right out of the box, you are going to start sewing. You're going to start doing your repairs. Here you can see you get your bobbins, you get your spool pin caps, you get the needles, you get the finger guard built in or coming included, the universal foot, the zipper foot, the straight stitch foot, plus the rolled foot, the rolled hem foot, the blind hem foot. A lot of the feet you normally have to purchase additionally. This is coming included. Then you have the buttonhole foot, which Darlene walked you through how simple and easy that was. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps to be able to do that. You've got the clear seam guide, the satin stitch foot, plus you have the straight stitch needle plate and the darning plate, all coming included. You've got the 6 built-in stitches as well. But the nice thing is we can show you everything that comes included. We can talk about the lowest price ever offered, which we are doing here today. But the bottom line is what you're going to be able to create. The memories and moments you're going to be able to capture by having this. What do I mean about capturing moments? Because when you create one-of-a-kind gifts, home decor, you have the moments of when you hand a homemade throw or blanket to a loved one and they say, oh my gosh, where did you get this? And you say, I made it. Do you know what that means to someone, that you took the time, the labor, the love, the passion to give them a homemade gift? That means more than going out and just buying something, anything for that matter, because you put your heart, love, and soul into creating one-of-a-kind gifts. Even if you want to make little planter holders, pillows. I mean, Darlene's going to show us how to make this fabric little bowl in just a moment when I go back and join her. But how about all the clothes? Think about, my mom used to love making clothes for us, Darlene, when we were little. She used to love to do that. And so this is one of those things that if you have kids and now you want to be able to make your own clothes or go through denim or make outdoor patio furniture, Darlene?
Yeah, it covers. Covers? Sure, covers for the outdoor furniture, absolutely. And boat covers. Covers for the barbecue,
which
the
normally
heavy-duty
is harder,
aprons.
Right? Because of the fabric?
Yeah, it's a little thicker. And you know, you're beating your machine up a little bit, but this machine is made to take a beating like that. Right. Whereas you might not want to do that with your computerized machine. Okay. You know, it's a little bit different. Yeah. But this is simply clothesline. And the clothesline...
You are a genius, you know that, right?
...has been, you've been twisting and twisting it around with pieces of 1-inch fabric. Now you can get these from a jelly roll. You can purchase this already pre-cut, or you can have fun ripping the strips yourself. At any rate, you wrap it around and then use your multi-stitch zigzag to go ahead and put the pieces together. And look how, but to think about how thick this is, that this is stitching this fast.
And it's not even slowing down, darling.
No, you'd be able to make a bowl or a placemat, or a doggy mat, or a kitchen rug, or a plant stand or a trivet. I mean, you name it. You can make you can go crazy making these.
Oh, you do pot holders
so
too
much
if you're
fun.
Going through like batting and stuff, right?
Yeah, that's fun. You can do pot holders with this. Why not? And you could do this easily. Spend an afternoon, a rainy day, if it's a little chilly outside. This is a great way. Or actually, if it's getting too hot like it is down here in Florida, go on in and work on your bowl for a while. And you form it as you sew. Now all I'm doing is adding a little extra tension, pulling that top one a little, this one here where my finger is, I'm pulling that a little tighter as I go. And it's forming the side of the bowl, you see? And when I first started this moments ago, all we had was the little coaster on the very bottom, already accomplished, and now we're putting up the sides already. You see how fast it starts to come together?
Yeah, it does.
Once you know how to do it. And you don't have to worry about running over your finger. You don't have to worry about the motor either. 60% stronger and faster than the other machines in our lineup. This is going to give you unprecedented wear and tear over the years. This is the machine you take out to the garage and you work on all of those heavy-duty draperies and your home decor. This is the one. It's the home decorator's dream.
Yeah, this is the one that has the engine, so to say. You know, you think about that fast sports car. It wouldn't be able to go fast if it didn't have the right engine to be able to get it moving and to get that pickup and that speed. The same thing goes with the technology built in the inside of the Singer. You have that powerful motor to be able to move, to be able to go through all these thick, you know, fabrics. Look at
what
how
we just did.
That is so cute.
We just did this live. We just made this little bowl.
And you went right through this cording.
Right through the cording wrapped in fabric, and we can just keep on going.
Darling,
but in the interest of time, imagine what you'll be able to do. So that bowl that you saw on the table, we're replicating that, and you can too. And why not? Now you want to see some applique? You saw the H on that pillow.
Yes.
So all you have to do to make that happen is your zigzag, close together, so just beyond 0.
Okay.
And then whatever width you want. I'm going to do between 3 and 4. And by the way, this machine will stitch up to 5 millimeters in width. 5 millimeters is a nice width. So you can get your applique done as well.
And you know, Darlene, when you look at this price point and you think about the 5 flexible payments of $49.99, get it at home, try it. Start sewing. If you don't notice that this machine is 60% faster than a conventional sewing machine, and you are not noticing the performance is that much more powerful, that much more faster, that much more efficient. I know.
Look how fast it's going.
It is. How many stitches per minute does it? Oh my gosh, look at that go.
It is so fast. Faster than any of the other machines. It's faster than your computerized or electronic. It's because it's mechanical and it's all gear driven. This is old world craftsmanship with today's latest technology. And when you put those two things together, you've got this winning combination. It's called the FlatBed from Singer. And there's very limited quantity. I haven't seen this puppy around for over 10 years.
Wow.
And here it is today making a one-time appearance.
It is, and less than 500 to go around. Actually, far less than that with everybody calling in. But it has 1,250 stitches per minute. So it's that's a lot. 1,250 stitches per minute.
That's the closest you can get to an industrial without being an actual industrial machine. I mean, just listen to this. What kind of a home machine motor lets you go this fast? The timing won't allow it on most, you know, home machines, but look how fast that goes. It's unbelievable.
But yet still controllable.
Yes, and you can hear, look, my bobbin's not getting messed up. You don't hear any chicka. It's smooth.
It is smooth.
It's really impressive. I'm telling you, if you're looking for a heavy-duty, all-the-time machine, this is it.
So lowest price ever offered, $150 off. It is our showstopper. Final quantities on this machine, free shipping and handling, plus the 5 flexible payments, extra flex with your HSN credit card. If you would like to be able to get this at home, you always have a 30-day money-back guarantee. And we have the free shipping, which that's another $17 savings. So add that $17 on top of the $150 that we're already saving you. So don't miss out on that. But I know Darlene is sticking around with us. We have our computerized machine at the lowest price ever offered. But we're going to